Welcome to Atrashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. In this tutorial, you will learn how to recover your saved Wi-Fi password. In case you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password of your currently connected network, then there is nothing to worry. You have come to the right place. So, as you can see here, I'm currently connected to this network. So if I want to find the password of my currently connected network, I would first need to go to the control panel, and then here you can directly go to view network status and tasks, or you can go to network and internet, and then you can go to network and sharing center. So both will take you to the same place. Over here you can see that there is the name of your routers shown here. In my case it is the router itself, and here you can see that there is a Wi-Fi router menu. You have to click that, and over here you need to go to the wireless properties, and then from here you have to go to the security tab. Here you can see that there is security type, encryption type, and a network security key shown. Here the network security is hidden, so in order to make that visible, you need to check the show characters box, and this would ask for administrator rights. So you have to click this, and when the administrator rights window pop up, you need to click yes, and then it would be enabled. And here you can see that your password is shown. It is 876543321. So similarly, you can recover any of your forgotten password that you are currently connected to. So that is the end of this tutorial. See you in next tutorial.